Did you know that the bottom of the ocean is even more mysterious than the vast universe above? NASA doesn't just explore outer space, they also dive into the darkest corners of our own planet, uncovering creatures and environments that seem like they belong to another world. Today, we're counting down the top 5 strangest things NASA has ever discovered under the sea findings that could change the way we understand life itself. Stay with us as we dive deep into these mysteries together. Vampiroteuthis infernalis. We now meet a creature that looks like it has stepped straight out of a nightmare. Vampiroteuthis infernalis, better known as the vampire squid. NASA has paid special attention to this species because of its astonishing ability to survive in conditions beyond imagination, in absolute darkness, under crushing pressure, and with oxygen levels close to zero. This animal has been found in oxygen-depleted zones at depths ranging from about 600 to 3,300 meters, roughly 2,000 to 10,000 feet. It belongs to an ancient lineage that has existed for hundreds of millions of years, long before the age of the dinosaurs. Its body is soft and jelly-like, with a cloak-shaped membrane connecting its 8 arms, making it look as if it came from another planet. And the strangest part, it is neither a typical squid nor an octopus, but an ancient mollusk with unique features. Instead of chasing prey, it extends retractable filaments to capture falling marine snow and bits of organic matter drifting down from above. NASA has been especially fascinated by its bizarre defense system. When threatened, it doesn't squirt ink like other cephalopods. Instead, it flashes glowing, lantern-like lights all over its body to confuse predators. It can roll its cloak into a spiny shape, making itself appear larger and more intimidating, or eject a cloud of bioluminescent slime to distract and escape. This is what makes the vampire squid such an inspiration for NASA. It proves that life can thrive in the harshest places imaginable, and it may hold vital clues about how alien life could exist in the hidden oceans of distant worlds, where there is no sunlight, no oxygen, only chemistry and crushing pressure. Up next is a discovery that forced biology to rethink everything we thought we knew. Entire ecosystems living around hydrothermal vents, powered not by sunlight, but by chemistry. These vents, found in places like the Mariana Trench, are like oases in the desert of the deep sea. NASA is especially interested in them because they mirror the conditions on moons such as Europa, where hidden oceans might harbor similar life. The vents spew out superheated water, sometimes hotter than 700 degrees Fahrenheit, loaded with minerals from Earth's crust. By all logic, nothing should survive here. And yet, life thrives. Giant tube worms, taller than a human, anchor themselves to the seafloor, their red plumes swaying in the current. Tiny shrimp and crabs scurry about, while vast colonies of bacteria form the foundation of this food web, converting chemicals like hydrogen sulfide into energy through a process called chemosynthesis. NASA has joined this exploration through partnerships with institutions like the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, building deep-sea robots such as Nereus and Orpheus to probe these extreme environments. In 2024, a probe drilled into volcanic crust near a vent and uncovered a hidden microbial ecosystem thriving in conditions once thought impossible. This was a turning point, showing that life does not need sunlight, only the right chemistry. For NASA, this is a clue that Europa's subsurface oceans, kept warm by Jupiter's tidal forces, could support similar ecosystems. And the strangest part, these ecosystems are completely independent from the surface world, self-contained, self-sustaining, and challenging every assumption about what life requires. If life can exist here, it might exist anywhere in the universe. Enypniastis eximium. Meet Enypniastis eximium, better known as the headless chicken monster, a creature that feels like it came straight out of an P. Lovecraft nightmare, living at depths between 9,800 and 13,000 feet, in absolute darkness and under crushing pressure. This bizarre sea cucumber has left NASA astonished with its ability to endure Earth's most extreme environments. Unlike most sea cucumbers that crawl slowly along the seafloor, the headless chicken monster swims gracefully, gliding through the abyss with crimson fins that look like a ghost dancing in the dark. Its body is nearly transparent, exposing its glowing red organs within, like an alien stripped bare. Its wide mouth, reminiscent of the Sarlacc from Star Wars, devours drifting organic debris like a living machine. NASA's fascinated by how it adapts to high pressure, low oxygen environments conditions strikingly similar to the hidden oceans on icy moons like Titan and Europa. Its ability to filter food from such scarce resources offers hints of how extraterrestrial life might survive in barren methane oceans. Deep-sea research stations, including trials at the Aquarius Reef Base, have even drawn inspiration from this creature in preparing for missions to distant worlds. And the most chilling part? It has only been filmed a handful of times, appearing like a fleeting phantom in the abyss. Each sighting is a stark reminder that Earth's oceans remain more mysterious than the vastness of space itself. Would you dare to face the headless chicken monster in the dark? Europharynx pelicanoids. Europharynx pelicanoids, better known as the gulper eel, is one of the deep sea's strangest hunters. With a mouth like a living black hole, this creature can swallow prey many times larger than its own body, making it one of the most bizarre predators in the ocean. NASA has been fascinated by its extreme adaptations, seeing in it a key to understanding how life can survive in the harshest environments. Living at depths between 3,000 and 10,000 feet, the gulper eel looks like it has swum straight out of a horror cartoon. Its jaws stretch like a ghostly balloon, expanding to engulf fish, crustaceans, and mollusks, while flushing the water out through its gills and trapping its prey in a throat as wide as an abyss. When threatened, it inflates into a massive dark bubble, terrifying would-be attackers. Its body measures about 2 to 3 feet long, most of it a thin, snake-like tail, gliding through the darkness like a phantom. NASA studies the gulper eel to better understand how life adapts to scarcity, a central question for missions to moons like Enceladus or Titan, where subsurface oceans may be barren and resource-poor. The eel's ability to maximize food intake in a wasteland environment has even inspired deep-sea exploration robots, tested in places like the Mariana Trench, built to withstand crushing pressure and eternal darkness. And the scariest part, its gigantic mouth, almost the size of its entire body, looks like a gateway straight into the void. So tell us, which do you think is more terrifying? The gulper eel's endless jaws, or the headless chicken monster? Leave your comment below. Chlamydococcus sanguineus. Chlamydococcus sanguineus, better known as the frilled shark, is a true monster from the abyss. This living fossil has been around for more than 80 million years, back when dinosaurs still ruled the Earth. Its survival in such harsh conditions has left NASA in awe, offering clues about how life can endure in the most extreme environments. Found at depths of up to 5,150 feet, this shark, stretching nearly 7 feet long, glides through the darkness with an eel-like serpentine motion. Its 6 pairs of frilly gills give it a prehistoric look. But the most terrifying feature is its jaws, more than 300 needle-sharp teeth, angled inward, perfectly designed to trap squid and other prey with no chance of escape. NASA studies the frilled shark to help design probes capable of withstanding the crushing pressures and total darkness of places like Europa and Titan, where similar forms of life may be hidden. A creature that has survived multiple mass extinctions, could it hold the key to discovering alien life? From the eerie glow of the vampire squid to the prehistoric jaws of the frilled shark, NASA's deep-sea discoveries reveal a world as strange as anything in outer space. These 5 bizarre findings, the vampire squid, hydrothermal vent ecosystems, the headless chicken monster, the gulper eel, and the frilled shark prove that life can survive under the harshest conditions imaginable. Why does this matter? Because every creature we find in Earth's abyss brings us closer to answering the question of whether life could exist in the hidden oceans of Europa, Titan, or beyond. As NASA's Europa Clipper spacecraft speeds toward Jupiter, set to arrive in the year 2030, it carries with it the hope of finding signs of alien life, inspired by the wonders of our own oceans. The deep sea is not just Earth's final frontier, it's a testing ground for the ultimate question. Are we alone in the universe? What do you think these discoveries mean for the search for life beyond Earth? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our next cosmic adventure. Thank you for diving into the abyss with us. Be sure to check out these other videos for more mind-blowing science, and subscribe to stay updated on NASA's latest discoveries. See you in the next video.